Swimming is a tricky one for Afro-Textured hair. A lot of us, I remember growing up, I avoided swimming because of what I knew it could do to my hair and not being able to protect it properly. But I always say, just like you can't completely eliminate the water from getting into the swimming cap, you can minimize the amount so it doesn't get in at all. My name is Janet of 3 Naturals by Jay, a mum of 3 natural haired girls, a certified hair practitioner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I protect my daughter's hair to the point where barely any water gets into her hair during her swimming lessons. Let's get into it. We have tried so many different swimming caps from so many different companies, including this one here, which did a good job, but it was still not quite there. It was still allowing a lot of water in at the back. I put on her swimming cap by gently stretching it over her head, making sure it covers all her hair and everything is tucked in. A silicone cap works best because it's snug and keeps water out better than the fabric caps. Now, the silicone swim caps have better protection than the latex or fabric one. Now, the game changer is this swimming band. This swimming band helps seal the edges so water does not leak in. As you can see, I place it gently around her hairline, making sure it's snug but not tight. The swimming band acts as an extra water barrier over the swimming cap. Now, before I put on her swimming cap, of course, we need to prep her hair. I always make sure her LCO has been done at least a day before, and then just before putting the swimming cap on, I will lightly mist her hair, especially the edges, with some fresh water. Now, this just prevents her hair from soaking up too much of the chlorine water, if any of the chlorine water was to get in. Now, an important tip is to always rinse any part of the hair that gets chlorine in at all immediately they step out of swimming. Now, sometimes it's mainly her nape that might catch a bit of the chlorine water. So what I'll do is I'll gently rinse this off with the shower at the swimming pool. So there you have it, guys. That's how I protect my daughter's hair during swimming. Literally, and hardly any water gets into her swimming cap. If anything, just a teeny bit at the nape here. And what I do is I thoroughly rinse it when she's showering at swimming, and I might get a little bit of shampoo just to catch that back bit, and then follow up with our LCO. But honestly, you just need to find the right routine and barrier to prevent the water from getting in. A solid, consistent natural hair care will also help you maintain your hair whilst swimming. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And let me know in the comment section, how do you currently protect your hair from swimming? Do you swim? Are you scared of going to swimming because of protection? And that's how we protect our hair from chlorine and salt water while swimming. I hope this has helped. Let me know in the comment section, how do you protect your little one's hair when you go swimming? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.